Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So this video is dedicated to gold and the Etfs and the Australian gold producers. So just looking at the USD gold price, we'll just go to a daily chart. So you can see that US dollar, we're just consolidating, which is good, really. Well, obviously it'd be nice for it to shoot up. But the more it consolidates, the more it proves to people that it's not going to come down here. The more it proves to fund managers that the underlying the gold stocks, their commodity they're selling isn't volatile, and it helps build energy for the next move up. So we're still just hanging around this 3340 level, but in the short term, falling a declining wedge, which is bullish. Okay, so if we look at gold in Aussie dollar, so gold in Aussie dollar, we're still above the trend line, still within the pennant, just basing, so that's good. Okay, so now on to the ETFs. Oh, actually, before we do that, if you do want to buy just the physical gold, PM gold, that's the ETF. I prefer because they say you can convert it into physical. Right, so onto the ETFs. So the GDX. So you can get this in Australia. This is the global gold miners, which includes some of ours. But I saw an interesting stat. You can tell people the global market cap of all gold producers is $690 billion, and the market cap of Oracle, just the company, is $700 billion. So it just shows you how small this gold market is. And anyway, you will know I'm bullish on it. Anyway, it doesn't look like GDX is going to fall over. I keep saying this. I know a lot of people are waiting for it to come back, but I don't know. I just don't think it's going to do it. The miners ETF. So we're looking at weekly bars here. So the first bar on the right is basically today. So that's just sitting there looking nice as well. US ETFs, so the GDXJ. Which has just got smaller companies, but they're still huge evolutions in this one. There's another one that other people have been telling me about, is this GOE or GoX, meant to be the explorers, but they're not explorers. They got like Romelius and Perseus in there. They're just smaller than GDXJ. What do I like? I prefer GDXJ over GDX, even though you can't get it here because of this ratio here. So I'm expecting the smaller guys, so going up means they're outperforming the bigger guys. And for those people who are in this GOE, this is the ratio between GDXJ and GoX. So, I mean, I like them both, but they do tend to trade in a range. Okay, enough of that. Onto the our Aussie ones. Okay, so first cab off the rank, just in alphabetical order. Alkane. I hope that subscriber who sent he likes gold. I gave him this one, but that looks good. Okay, I think they just got a lot of that merger is doing good for them anyway. Probably don't want to chase it anyway. So we got Black Cat. Someone sent me a message saying this is going to double, and I'm not going to argue with him. Forming a nice rounded bottom. I love rounded bottoms. So nothing wrong with that. We've got Bellevue. So Interesting chart pattern, really. So they still haven't gone, but yep, that's it. Capricorn. So that's looking nice. It's looking very nice. Just broken the wedge, break, test, like that. Catalyst. Yeah, they look like they're due for a bit of a pullback up at resistance here. Had a good run. So pull back to here would be, from a chart perspective, constructive. Evolution. So evolution just needs to get itself back here, back in the race. So it's not bearish, that's for sure. Emerald. Okay, so Emerald's there's a Cambodian one. Low ASIC, $1,300. So it's a shame Australians are racist. No, they've got that. I think that Thailand Cambodian thing is sorted anyway. Anyway, they from a chart perspective just need to get back up here in a few green bars and they should be off. Gore, well, that's in the takeover. So Genesis. So Genesis has done well to get back up here. Again, be like the other one. A little bit of a pullback would be constructive for have another go. Horizon. Okay, so Horizon. Oh, it's forming a beautiful chart pattern. Just needs to break out. So that looks good. The Big King. Newmont. Looks like the GDX. I think it's the highest weighting in GDX. So $2 billion in cash flow I think they had last quarter. Alright, the King, as in our King, Northern Star. Beautiful. Just sitting here above that resistance line. So that's good to go. Good to go, Northern Star. OBM, just sitting there, isn't it? I think when it goes, it's going to go. Pantoro. Okay, so that's yeah, wouldn't chase that, but if you're in it, just hold. Perseus. So Perseus is just trying to get above. It just needs to sort of get up above here, then a bit of then yeah, it is what it is. Remelius. Okay, so that's nice. So it's broken and consolidating. So that's good to go. Regis. Okay, break, consolidate. I guess they're waiting for guidance from America, but at least you can get a feel today. That's why I thought I'd do a Monday vid. So yeah, that's looking nice. Resolute. Filled the gap. Yeah, I guess there's other things to pick really. St. Barbara. So the Papua New Guinea, so had a bit of a down, that's good. Consolidate. Actually there's a bit of a trend line there. Now that we sort of made a bit of a semi-high, so a break of that should get it going. What else we got here? We got Volt. Okay, so again, done the right thing, break, consolidating, so good to go. Westgold. So yeah, that's looking really nice. So just spent last week consolidating at the top of this candle, and now today says I'm not waiting for America, I'm going. WAF, so West African Resources. Oh, that looks like it wants to have a crack at highs. I think they've got a new first pour expected Q3. Yeah, they've got a new gold mine coming on. So that looks good. What's this one? Aeris, copper and gold producer. So this is a new one. Someone threw at me. It's not in alphabetical order, sorry. But that looks very nice. Look at that. Downward sloping up. Test. Very attractive. Alright. Becoming a bit of a hot copper. Everyone's throwing me these names. So these are, we've got some, but I may as well go through them because, why not? Oh, it's like the subscribers sent me they scored the 5th highest silver intercept worldwide for the first half. They got a 4,700 grams per tonne of a silver hit. Said they should call themselves Martin Silver. So they're an up-and-coming developer. So it'd be nice if it came down. That would be a nice opportunity. But yeah, that looks nice. Bright Star. So they're another developer. They're not looking too healthy. Wouldn't jump into that just yet. Santana Minerals, another developer. Where are they? They're in New Zealand. Oh, that's right. Really low ASIC, like $1,000 Aussie. So that looks good too. Win Metals. So they're another up-and-coming gold developer. Lovely rounded bottom. That looks good to go. Alright, and then we'll just finish off with a few smaller gold producers that have been put in front of me to share. So you got this Kaiser Reef. Isn't doing much, but they're producing gold. So do your own research on all these. Mika Metals. So their Murchison Goldfields project just started mining, 70,000 ounces per annum. So that looks good. Rand. I think they're more like a royalty company. They got interests in a gold mine. They don't seem to be doing gold mining themselves. Well, they paid a 10-cent dividend. So yeah, worth looking into. And lastly, Vertex. Not lastly as in the worst one or whatever. They're commencing in August production. So if that's happening, it looks like a good time to accumulate. Alright, that's your Australia, that's the Gold Miners wrap. So yeah.